Hi guys, today we are solving the 7 days problem of May LeetCode Challenge 2021. The problem's name is delete operation for two strings. The problem statement goes like, given two strings word1 and word2, return the minimum number of steps required to make word1 equal to word2. In one step, you can delete exactly one character in either of the strings. So that means if we are deleting one letter from the first string, that means the deletion operations count becomes 1. And if we are deleting one element from both of the strings, then the deletion operation becomes 2. So let's see the first example. We are given C and eat. So out of these two, if we delete T from here and S from here, then these two becomes equal. That is EA and EA becomes equal to each other. So let's see the memoization. So what is our approach going to be like? That we are going to create a DP array, DP2D array, and we're going to check the longest common subsequence out of these two strings, and we're going to follow this formula to come to an answer. So let's see the example eat and see. Let's say C is word 1 and eat is word 2. So we are going to memorize it such that if S is equals to E, then we are going to put values according to that. S is not equal to E, so we are putting 0 here. S is not equal to A, so 0 here. S is not equal to T, so 0 here. E is equal to E, so we're going to put 1 here. So what basically we're going to do is, if we are reaching this position, ij position, then we're going to check if I minus 1 and j minus 1, whichever value is the max, we're going to add 1 to it, and then we're going to put it in this position. Similarly, E is not equal to A, so this remains the same. Out of these, max is 1, so we're going to just put 1 here. Out of these two, 1 is max, so we're going to put 1 here. Out of these two, 1 is max, so we're going to put 1 here. As A equals to A, we're going to take max, that is 1. As both of these are same, we're going to take 1 here and add 1 to it. So this becomes 2. Similarly here. So let's try to code this. Int dp equals to new int word1 dot length plus 1 word2 dot length plus 1. We are taking one extra row to help with the memorization, that is in the first row, that is I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. We are going to put zeros so that it helps us in memorization again. We're going to have two for loops. Int I equal to 0, I is less than equal to word 1 dot length I plus plus for int j equal to 0, j is less than word 2 dot length is then equal to j plus plus. We're going to check if I equal to j. This is we're going to check if I equal to 0 or j equal to 0. If this is the case, we're going to continue. In Java, while initializing any data structures, the initial values are put as 0 or null. So that is why we are continuing, so that this remains 0. Moving on, if word1 dot char at I minus 1 equal to word2 dot char at j minus 1, then we are going to put I j equal to 1 plus dp of I minus 1 j minus 1. If this is not the case, we are going to take dp of I j equal to max dot max of dp of I minus 1 j or dp of I j minus 1. After coming out of this loop, we are going to follow this formula. That is, return word 1 dot length plus word2 dot length minus 2 into dp of word1 dot length dp of word2 dot length. Let's try to run this code. Okay, let's try to submit it. Yes, we are done with the solution. I hope you guys understood. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.